Although very common in Asian countries for many years now, masks here in America are becoming a new thing. But you don't necessarily have to have a boring mask. You can have something that's fun and fashionable at the same time. So on today's home adventure, we're going to check out my mask collection and maybe it'll inspire you to make some of your own. Are you ready? Let's go. Good afternoon and welcome. I'm LJ with the Adventure Stop, and today we're going to check out my mask collection. So my friends, the thing is you don't necessarily have to have your standard mask like this. You can be fashionable at the same time. If this is all you have while you're going to your trip to Costco or whatnot. So we're all wearing our masks to keep everybody safe because we don't want any junk spewing out of our mouth, our nose. So you don't necessarily have to have your plain surgical type of mask like this. But what you can do is you can do something really cool and fashionable. Head over to Amazon. And you can also make things at home. Are you ready to check this out? Let's go. So this here is a brand new t-shirt from Costco, so I'm not really going to cut it up, but what you want to do is you want to slice it off right about there, and that creates a nice muscle tee that you can use for working out. But what we can also do is take the sleeve, and that's going to turn into your mask. So basically, as you make your t-shirt into a cutoff tee, which you can use for working out, you can also use the sleeves also as a mask. You know, it doesn't really have a filter, yes, that's true, but the main thing is you want to keep the particles from flying out of your mouth and getting onto anybody else, whether you cough or sneeze or just talking. So this kind of allows you to do that, but at the same time, it allows a little bit of airflow underneath so you're not as stuffy. So this is great if you want to go for a workout or if you want to go do a little exercising around. This will kind of keep a little bit of airflow going for you. Whereas this next style, this is called the gator style, and it's also a neck gator. And this happens to be Epcot theme. Check that out, everyone. You have Spaceship Earth and the land and Horizons. This is really cool, and you can find these things on Etsy. So they're made here in the US, so not only are you supporting a great cause for our money to actually go back to America, but you can have really cool handmade things here in the US. You can wear it a couple different ways here. You can have it just at your neckline. It is a little bit more stuffy, yes, than the other sleeve style that you have, but you can also pull it up a little higher if you want to cover your ears. You can wear it a couple different ways. You can actually pull it all the way over your head if you like. There's a couple different ways you can wear this, but it goes all the way down to your neck. That's why it's called a neck gaiter. It's actually used a lot in like military special ops, so you can look like you're tactical, right? Tactical, tactical, tactical. Now this next one is actually a name brand one, which is made by Oakley, and it's a little thicker material. It's more of like a micro fleece type of material. It has Velcro closures on the back, which is really cool, so it's adjustable rather than just slipping over, so you can make it as tight as you want, as loose as you want. But these here definitely go underneath the ear, and it's pretty cool because it's a name brand, so you can be fashionable at the same time, right? Camera noise, camera noise, camera noise, camera noise. And last but not least, what a fun one, right? You can find this on Amazon. It was like $14.99 at the time, but it has animal prints all over it. And you can get different styles, whether you want to be a panda bear or a golden retriever, or maybe even a pit bull, or maybe you want a skull. These are really cool, but on a warm day, not the greatest though, you know? If it's a cooler day, yeah, these are great, but on a warm day, you probably want to go with one of the other style of face coverings. Yes, this is Cricket Kidani. Yes. Do you not like this? Do I look a little too much like you? So hey, I'm LJ with today's Adventure Stop in face coverings. So as you're out there having your adventures, as things start to open up here, keep yourself safe and everyone around you. Hey, if you like this video, be sure to give it a nice thumbs up, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next adventure straight ahead. Bye everyone.